Deutsche Bank has visited Tesla Giga Berlin, and yesterday its analyst Emmanuel Rosner has released a note saying the situation at Tesla Giga Berlin is quote-unquote game changer. What does this mean, friends? This is a very interesting thing. He says, Rosner noted that following the investor meeting at Giga Berlin, Deutsche Bank came away with the impression that the electric vehicle makers' new localized vehicle production in Europe could be a game changer, making Tesla to an even more formidable competitor in the region while likely boosting the company's gross margins. Note here a couple of important things. Rosner says that new localized vehicle production, that means Tesla Giga Berlin has succeeded to localize its vehicle production, a very important thing for car makers or for any production, to localize as much as possible, just as Tesla did at Gigafactory Shanghai. So it doesn't depend from supply that comes from far away. And also Rosner says that Europe, Giga Berlin could be a game changer for Tesla and for the European production, making Tesla to an even more formidable competitor. This is a quote from Rosner's note to investors, a more formidable competitor in the region while likely boosting the company's gross margins. I told you a couple of days ago to subscribe to our channel because I'm going to bring you every note that the investors that have visited Tesla Giga Berlin last week are going to say. And I have released several, and today is Deutsche Bank. This is what Deutsche Bank says. But in the meantime, if you like this report and you find it useful, please like it and subscribe to our channel, share in social media. When you like a report, clicking on the like button and giving us thumbs up, it helps to put in front of more people who can learn more about Tesla and electric vehicles and thus speed up the transition to electric vehicle. Welcome back, everyone. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. So it appears that Giga Berlin is quite an impressive factory now for investors, analysts, financial analysts, similar to teams from UBS and Jefferies and new research. Deutsche Bank analyst Emmanuel Rosner also proved bullish on Tesla following an investor meeting at Gigafactory Berlin, Giga Berlin. According to the analyst, they had a guided tour of the German-based electric vehicle factory of Tesla and had a meeting with the company's head of investor relations, Martin Viecha. Apart from this, Rosner noted that they were able to test drive a made-in-Germany Tesla Model Y performance at high speed on Autobahn. I reported this a couple of days ago, but at that time we didn't know who was the guy who was test driving the Model Y made at Giga Berlin. Anyway, yesterday on Monday, the Deutsche Bank analyst maintained a buy rating on Tesla and a pretty optimistic price target of $375 per share post-stock. Before I go any further, as I've said in my previous report, I'm not a Tesla stockholder. I don't own any stocks. I'm not in the stock market. This is not a report about buying or selling the stock. This is just what analysts say about Tesla Giga Berlin for those who are interested about news about Tesla and Tesla Giga Berlin and electric cars. Anyway, the $375 per share post-stock split. This is a pretty notable vote of confidence for the electric vehicle maker Tesla, especially considering that Giga Berlin is still very new factory, only a few months old. I think Tesla started Giga Berlin in March, right? Having only started customer deliveries this March. Rosner noted that following the investor meeting at Giga Berlin, Deutsche Bank came away with an impression that Tesla, this electric vehicle makers, Tesla's new localized, now what I read is a quote, that EV makers, quote, new localized vehicle production in Europe could be a game changer, making Tesla to an even more formidable competitor in the region while likely boosting the company's gross margins. End of the quote. What do you make of this? Formidable competitor, game changer, localized productions. These are very important things for Tesla or for any car producer. Rosner also highlighted the potential of Giga Berlin when it's ramped. The analyst noted that Tesla does acknowledge some risks with a potential gas crisis in Germany, but the electric vehicle maker is quite confident that its flexibility could allow it to weather any potential storms in the future. Here is what he said. The plant is already capitalized to produce 500,000 Model Ys per year, but currently only staffed with 2 shifts. We knew this. He said Tesla plans to increase to 4 shifts and full production sometime in 2023. Now, I didn't know about the 4 shifts, but I knew about third shifts. I thought the companies only have third shifts. Each shift works 8 hours, and therefore 3 times 8 is 24. Where do we get the 4th shift? I don't know. Anyway, so the quote that I'm getting from Tesla Radi is a quote from Rosner is that Tesla plans to increase to 4 shifts and full production sometimes in 2023. That means if each shift will work what? 5 hours, 6 hours to make place? I don't know. If you guys have any idea about 4 shifts, let me know in the comment section below, because I've never heard of 4 shifts. Anyway, he says the company acknowledged some production risks from any potential German gas crisis, confirming Giga Berlin's energy supply is similar to other OEMs producing in Germany, but pointed to its strong flexibility in steering its global vehicle production to regions where it seems strong demand, Rosner noted. I want to talk about the gas crisis, German gas crisis, because Germany gets most of its gas from Russia, and now Germany has sanctions against Russia, and Europe has sanctions against Russia, and they're not going to, and Russia has certain ways Germany can buy gas, like by paying in local currency, in rubles, and the winter is going to be very difficult, and I don't know where Tesla will get that much gas, or if Tesla will be allocated that much gas. And I don't know how much Tesla is dependent on natural gas to operate Giga Berlin. Anyway, this is just something to keep in mind, and as I hear more about this, I will report this, friends. So please subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed, and like this video so you hear more about this once we hear more on this subject. Anyway, Rosner also said that all in, we believe 2023 could be a pivotal year for Tesla and continue to view it as one of the most attractive stories in the autos sector. He said, we adjust our estimates for the 3-for-1 stock split, taking our price target to $375 and reiterate our buy rating, the analyst market. And again, like I said, I'm not a Tesla stockholder. I'm not in the stock market. And this is not an advice to buy or sell electric cars or stocks, actually. So what do you make of this, friends? I think this is very interesting. And, the other analysts like Peter Farrago from New Research also came to a conclusion that compared to the Fremont factory, Giga Berlin is clearly much more efficient. Logistics inside the factory are much easier with docks that surround the factory on all sides and ensure that parts arrive at the right place in the production chain. The single manufacturing line is designed for a cycle time of 45 seconds and will deliver 10,000 cars per week at full capacity at Tesla Giga Berlin. So what do you make of all of this, friends? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you find this report interesting and useful, please like it and give us thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. You will help to speed up the electric vehicle transition. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. I'll look forward to hearing your opinion about the formidability of Tesla Giga Berlin, about the localized supply chain, localized production, and about the efficiency that Tesla Giga Berlin has achieved at the factory, as well as the 4th shift, what it means. Have a great day. God bless you, and I'll see you soon in our next report.